This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Eggers. This ranch home with a spilt floor plan is ready for its new owners. As you enter into the home from covered porch, you will find a living room with a gas fireplace which is perfect to cozy up and read a book or cuddle a loved one. Off of the living room is the eat-in kitchen with lots of cabinets and countertop space, all with stainless steel appliances. This area walks out onto the deck and overlooks your backyard. To the right of the kitchen, you will find 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The primary bedroom is located on the other side of the home with its own private bathroom and is conveniently connected to the laundry room. The covered carport allows you to walk straight into the workshop area. All of this on a large and flat half-acre lot that has been professional landscape, has many perennials that will pop in the spring. Don't miss out on this centrally located home that is close to schools, shopping and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Eggers at 865-966-1111.